Hey, it's Ravi. Your first $100 online is the most important money you will ever make. And I mean that. Not because $100 is life changing money. It obviously isn't. It's $100. It's important because of what it does to your brain. See, the day you make your first $100 from a faceless channel, something clicks in your head. It stops being a maybe, a someday, a nice little dream you think about before you fall asleep. And it becomes real. You proved it works. You proved that you can do it. And here's the thing, once you've proven it works, scaling from 100 to 1,000 and from 1,000 to 10,000 is honestly just doing more of the same thing you already did. But that very first 100, that's the wall. That's the wall that most people, sadly, never get over. So today, I am handing you the exact AI tools and the exact path to make your first $100 from a brand new channel. Even if you have almost no subscribers right now. Even if you're basically starting from zero. Quick question before we dive in. Have you made your first dollar online yet? Yes or no? Just drop a simple yes or a no down in the comments. Because I'm genuinely curious how many of you are sitting right on the edge of this thing. Alright, before I give you the tools, I have to give you the mindset. Because this right here is where most people completely mess it up. Most people trying to make their first $100 go about it in the single hardest possible way. They think, okay, first I need to build a huge audience, and then I need to get monetized. And then, maybe, eventually, I can make some money. That is the slowest road on the map. And it is exactly why those people quit before they ever see a dollar. So here's the truth. Your first $100 almost never comes from ad revenue. Let that go. It comes from putting the right offer in front of the small audience you already have. Because even a tiny channel has viewers. Even 50 people watching is 50 people. And a handful of the right viewers pointed at the right offer is $100. So we are not going to sit around waiting for some giant audience to magically appear. We are going to make money from a small one starting now. Let me show you the 3 fastest paths and the exact AI tools that power each one. Path 1. Affiliate marketing. And this is the fastest first $100 for almost everybody watching, so pay attention. Here's why it's so fast. You don't need a product. You don't need to be monetized. You don't need 1,000 subscribers. You don't need anything except to recommend a tool you actually use with your affiliate link to people who genuinely need it. And AI creators like us have a huge unfair advantage here. Because the tools we naturally talk about happen to pay really, really well. Let me make this super concrete so you can see it. You make one single video. The 5 best AI tools for whatever your niche happens to be. You sign up for each of those tools' affiliate programs, which is completely free to do. You drop your links in the description. Now, one single viewer signs up for one of those tools through your link. And depending on the tool, you just made anywhere from a few dollars to $50 or more. And if it's a recurring commission, which a lot of them are, you make that money every single month they stay subscribed. Do you see how close $100 actually is right now? It is 2 or 3 of the right people taking the right action. That's the whole thing. And here's the AI part. You use Claude to find which tools in your niche have the best paying affiliate programs. And then to write the video that recommends them naturally, without sounding salesy. That is the fastest $100 in the entire game. Path 2, a simple digital product. And this is where it starts to get really exciting. Because now, instead of taking a cut, you keep almost all of the money. Here's the mindset shift most people desperately need to hear. You do not need to create some massive, impressive 300-page course or some 40-video masterclass to make your first $100. In fact, please don't. That's a great way to spend 3 months building something and never launch it. Your first product should be small, specific, and genuinely useful. That's the whole formula. You think about one real annoying problem your audience has, and you solve just that one problem. Let me give you real examples. A prompt pack, a tight collection of the exact AI prompts you personally use. The ones that would take somebody else hours of trial and error to figure out on their own. A template, a plug and play thing they can just copy and use immediately. Or a short, focused guide that walks them through getting one specific result. And here is why this is the perfect first product. AI can help you build the entire thing in a single afternoon. You sit down with Claude, you literally say, "Help me build a prompt pack for my niche," and a few hours later, you have got a real sellable product in your hands. Then you price it at $19 or $27. You put it up on a free platform like Gumroad, free to start, they just take a small cut when you sell, and you mention it in your videos. Now do the simple math on your first 100. At $27 a sale, that is 4 sales. 4. You are 4 people away from your first $100 with a product you built in one afternoon and will now sell over and over and over again forever on autopilot. And unlike affiliate income, this money is 100% yours. Path 3. And this one is the sleeper of the group. It's the one almost nobody talks about, but it is by far the fastest to actual cash in your hand. It's offering a tiny service. Here's the reality that most of you are not giving yourself credit for. Right now, today, just from the stuff you've already learned, you know more about AI than 95% of the population. And that knowledge is worth real money to somebody who doesn't have it and doesn't want to learn it. So you offer a small, specific, done-for-you service. You'll set up an AI tool for a small business owner who's intimidated by it. You'll create a batch of AI images or content for someone who needs them. You'll build one simple automation for a person who's completely overwhelmed. And you charge 50, 100, a couple $100 for it. This path is the fastest for one reason. It's not passive. One client who needs the thing, one afternoon of work, and you have blown straight past your first $100. And the beautiful irony is that AI is literally the thing you're selling. So you use Claude and your other tools to deliver the whole service faster than the client could ever do it themselves. It is the least glamorous path on this list, for sure. But if you need $100 this week, not this month, this week, this is exactly how you go get it. Now let me be really honest with you about which path to actually pick. Because I just handed you 3 of them, and I know some of you are already tempted to go try all 3 at the same time. Do not do that. Please. Pick one. If you have $0 and you need cash fast, do the service. That's path 3. If you want the easiest, most passive start, do affiliates. Path 1. And if you've already got a little bit of an audience and you want to build a real, lasting asset, make the product. That's path 2. And here's the beautiful part. the thing that actually ties this entire video together into something powerful. Every single one of these three paths uses the exact same content you are already making anyway. You do not do any extra work. Think about it. That 5 best AI tools video we talked about, it carries your affiliate links. That's path 1, working. That same video can mention your prompt pack. That's path 2, working. And that same video quietly positions you as the expert who can just do this stuff for people. That's path 3, working. One video feeding all three income paths at the exact same time. That, right there, is the real leverage of a faceless AI channel. The content does the selling for you, over and over, while you are asleep. So let me give you the exact plan to your first $100 starting today. Step 1. Pick your one path based on what I just told you. $0 and need it now? Service. Want passive and easy? Affiliates. Want to build a real asset? Product. Just pick one. Step 2. Use Claude to actually build the thing. The affiliate video, the product, or the service offer. Whatever your path needs, Claude helps you build it today, not someday. Step 3. And this is the step everybody skips, so do not skip it. Put it in front of the small audience you already have and actually ask for the action. I mean it. You have to actually say the words, "Here's the link, go check it out." Money does not come from quietly hoping people happen to notice. It comes from making a clear, direct offer. Do those 3 steps and your first $100 stops being a someday thing. It becomes a this month thing. Maybe even a this week thing. And the moment you make it, the moment that first notification hits, everything changes. Because now you are not dreaming about it anymore. You're doing it. And doing it again after that? That's just repetition. So here is exactly what to do the second this video ends. Open up Claude, pick your one path, and build the very first piece of it. Today, not tomorrow, not this weekend, today. Because momentum is absolutely everything at this stage, and the people who actually make their first $100 are simply the ones who started before they felt ready. If this gave you a real, concrete path instead of the usual vague, make money online nonsense you see everywhere, do me a favor and smash that like button and subscribe, because I put out brand new videos every single week on building faceless AI income. And go grab the free first $100 roadmap down in the description. It lays out all 3 of these paths step by step with the exact tools for each, so you can just pick one and run with it. Now, next video, I'm going deeper on the product path specifically. I'm showing you how to create and sell a digital product with AI completely from scratch. The entire thing, start to finish. Because once you've made your first $100, that is exactly how you turn it into your first 1,000. You do not want to miss it. All right, catch you there.